Hello friends, welcome to CSOP Space. Today in this video, I will providing you the short updates about the now GitHub Copilot Agent mode is now available into the Visual Studio newest versions. And also one good news that GitHub Copilot is now available free into the Visual Studio. Previously, this only worked with the Visual Studio VS Code means this free version or available only on VS Code. Now this also available into the Visual Studio. So I just demonstrate that things like I have updated this Visual Studio with the latest versions. Like currently I'm using the 17.14.2. Like you can check this. You can check the blog the this blog that Visual Studio Agent mode is now available into the Visual Studio. I will paste this link into the description of this video. So you can check it like this available into 17.14 or later versions. So and it's also GitHub Copilot is also available. So you can simply sign in with your GitHub credentials, or you can sign up with your email on GitHub Copilot for free. No need to add any debit cards, credit cards, and no need to any trial version. This part with some limitations, but this can fully work with the Visual Studio. So here, like you can see it, like agent mode is available. Here is two modes, ask mode, and this is normal GitHub code. Like this only provide the on answer into this pan, and this agent mode is also edit and fixes things according to your forms. So when you firstly update the Visual Studio, this firstly not available. So you can just go to the options, and here it's a GitHub Copilot, and you can check this checkbox for enable the agent mode in the chat pan. So after enabling it, so this option will appear. Here I am just taking this sample project that I'm taking with the VS Code AI agent mode. So you can just provide any prompt, like I'm just providing the prompts like create a controller, create a employee controller, controller with basic details, basic details with all CRUD operations. So after giving this prompt, this will create the employee controller with the all the basic CRUD operations. And by mistake, I read the CRUD. It's like a CRUD operations. So I think this will understand the things. And now just creating it, this running the models. This is created models with the like get by ID, create, and this provide all the CRUD operations for employee basic details. And this just this also adding some auth models. Means this also adding one models for the implied, like you can move these classes according to your need. This is simple things like this can work with the agent mode, like this showing the options for keep and undo. Like if I keep it, and for all the options to keep, just click on keep, and this will add a controller here. So this will add all the options here, and you will furthermore like uh, you can also add the views for this actions. So this is the simple things like this agent mode. It is available in Visual Studio. And this is the good news for us. So no need to pay anything. So this just available the things in Visual Studio with the newest version. So this is the update here, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and also click on notification bell for latest updates. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.